Hello and welcome to another Sensory Recipes video, where I take recipes from my Sensory Recipes ebook to test out. And today I'm going to be making Taste Safe pudding slime. For this recipe you need instant pudding mix, corn flour, water-based food colouring, warm water and a mixing bowl. First of all, add your instant pudding mix into the bowl. It smells delicious. Next, add half a cup of warm water and then mix it slowly. Next, really slowly add 1.5 cups of corn flour. Mixing as you go until smooth. You want to keep adding it until it's not sticky anymore. It feels quite dry to the touch. Eventually it'll be too difficult to use your spoon. You have to go in with your hands. It's still quite sticky, but you can touch it. It's nearly there. It smells incredible. The best thing about this recipe is completely taste safe. So if your children do fancy a taste because it smells so good, then that's perfectly okay. Now I'm going to keep kneading it until it's not sticky anymore. Such a lovely texture. Now if you find the slime is too sticky, you can add more flour. Or if you find it's too dry, then you can add more water. But this seems pretty perfect. And it smells incredible. Slime makes for great fine motor exercise practice. Practice rolling, stamping, your dexterity with your fingers. Then when you're done, you can store it in an airtight container in the fridge for up to a week. If you would like to download or print this recipe, as well as loads others like it, then you can download my sensory recipe book from my website. The link's in the description. See you next time.